Have you ever hosted a meeting and wished you had someone who could help manage the administrative side of the meeting, such as managing participants or starting and stopping the recording? Then the co-host feature is for you. In this video, you will learn the limitations of a co-host, how to enable the co-host feature in the Zoom web portal, and how to grant co-host permissions to a meeting participant. Before we begin, here are some things to know about the co-host feature. You must be on a pro account or higher to have this feature available. Basic users do not have access. You can grant co-host permissions to any participant in your meeting or any panelist in your webinar. They do not need to be part of your account and do not need to be a pro user. You do, they do not. You can have an unlimited number of co-hosts. Before you enable the feature and start making anyone a co-host in your meeting, let's look at what a co-host cannot do in your meeting. Remember, a co-host can help you manage the administrative side of the meeting. So the co-host can manage participants, start and stop the recording, adjust security settings, launch polls, and more. However, some things can only be done by the host. The co-host cannot do the following: set up and start manual captioning by a participant or third-party service, start live streaming, make a participant a co-host, start the waiting room, but they can place participants in the waiting room or admit and remove participants from the meeting, end the meeting for all participants. There's one more thing your co-host won't be able to do, and that is start your meeting. If you need someone else to start your meeting, you need to make that person an alternative host. Please visit the support center to learn more about alternative hosts. Now let's enable the co-host feature in your Zoom web portal. Sign in to the Zoom web portal at zoom.us and navigate to Settings from the left menu. Under In-Meeting Basic, verify the co-host setting is enabled. If not, click the toggle to enable it. Note if the option is grayed out, it has been locked at either the group or account level, and you will need to contact your Zoom administrator. Once you're in your meeting and participants have joined, you can begin granting co-host permissions to any of them. From the meeting controls, click on Participants and hover over the name of the participant you want to make a co-host. Choose More and click Make Co-host. If you're hosting from a mobile device, tap on Participants, then tap on the participant you want to make a co-host. Now tap Make Co-host. That participant is now a co-host. One final note: you can only designate someone as a co-host once they are in the meeting. You cannot assign co-host permissions before the meeting is launched. You can find more information on this topic and others by visiting our support center at support.zoom.us. Thanks for watching.